Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Danny Ellis9 here, and in today's video slash vlog, whatever this is gonna be, we're actually gonna head to a local car meet here in Waco. It's gonna be over here by Cameron Park. So yeah, we're gonna head there right now. It's like 7 o'clock, so it's kind of late, but it's not that late. It's just dark because the sun went down. But yeah, we're on our way, and I'll show you when we get there. Alright guys, so we just got here, and yeah, I'm here with my brother Gabriel. We're waiting on my cousin Christian, but we're gonna go see what's up, say hi to people, and you know, just all that type of stuff. So yeah.
It's like colder over here.
There we go. Alright guys, so look who we just found pulling up right here in the Tahoe, you know, Christian himself, obvious Christian. Hey, what's up? How you doing? How many people are with you? What's up?
Yana, my sister.
Oh yeah?
Hey, where's Jeffrey?
I was gonna bring Alan and everyone, but they were busy.
It's freaking cold. Oh, that was you, right?
Yeah. Did you see the new lights? Come and see. Yeah. I like this cat eye right here.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh look. Damn. Is that you?
Nah, this is Jay.
Is Jay? Nice. Shoot, I'll try to get one. Yeah. I got a Mustang right now, but I love the cat eyes, honestly.
Yeah, they went the hard right.
Yeah.
It's just for the win.
Heck yeah. There's so many people. There's quite a few people here, and I guess we got security on hand. We got the park there, looking good. You know. But yeah. Oh, it's so freaking cold though.
There's no way they're actually doing that right now.
You got the donut pit going. Shoot, he better.
It better not.
He's too big. I love Alright guys, so we're I guess we're going on a little cruise. We all just kinda left at the same time. There's like probably like 6 of us. So I guess we're just gonna see what happens. You know, I'm gonna have Gabriel record, so you know, I can drive. guys, so we stopped at Whataburger. I grabbed myself a shake.
Got myself some fries.
Yeah, they were out of regular ketchup. We got the new spicy limited hot sauce, spicy ketchup. So we better give it a shot, see if it's good or not.
It already looks spicy.
Yeah,
Than usual.
he opened one. It looks kind of spicy. But it seems good, so we'll give it a shot. All right, so.
It's a bit hotter.
It's not that. Like it's a little hotter, but it's not that bad. I like it.
My allergies are gonna come.
What's up, guys? So we just came over here. We're out here at this one spot so we can go take some pictures. Well, not really pictures, but take some videos for the TikTok. And we're gonna have like a little thing over here for the end of the video. Comment what we should do next, you know. Obviously I can't put a new part on my car all the time. My car is starting to look really nice though. I really like it. But yeah, so just give us some more ideas. Let us know what we can do to, you know, entertain you guys and just what's up. Okay. Alright guys, so we just walked out of Union Hall. We got a lot of quesabirria to try. And yeah, we're just gonna head home real quick, and then we're all gonna try it with my other brother Nathan and just see if it was good or not. It's kind of pricey. We paid a good amount for like 12 tacos, but yeah, so we're about to get up. Alright guys, so we just got home. We got the quesabirria and Nathan's here and we're all gonna sit down and you're gonna try it. First time trying it, and yeah, so. Alright guys, wait. What we're gonna do is we're all gonna open it at the same time and we're gonna get our initial reactions, and then I'm gonna get the camera and just look through it before we start eating.
Nathan.
So, yeah. So, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, they look pretty good.
Yeah, really good.
How much did you get in each? 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Or is this stuck? Yeah, it's stuck. Okay. So fine. Okay, so this is what they look like. Alright, so mine looks the best. Honestly, his looks the best. They look really good. And there's a little salsa that we're gonna dip it in. And you can try yours first, Gabriel. Right?
Oh yeah.
They're really good? What about you, Nathan? Okay. What do you think about it?
10 out of 10.
Really good, really good?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm gonna say maybe like a 7.
Hold up. So I'm gonna do two bites for mine, because I'm gonna do one regular and then one with the onions and all that, just to give it a shot, you know, because it's gotta be full, like, so I can get the full experience, you know, just in case. So we're gonna do the full one first, just in case I don't like it, but it smells really good, and they both said they liked it, so let's give it a shot. I don't do too much onions, so just a little bit on mine. I'll just do it on half the taco, and I'm actually gonna do the cilantro all over it. And do a little bit of limon. All right, now for the moment of truth. Dip it in.
No, we're sharing it.
No, you were dipping on the other side.
No, I dipped in his.
This is honestly really good. Alright guys, so honestly, out of a whole 10 scale, being completely honest, I think I can give it a high 9, like a good 9. It's not a straight 10, but it's pretty much up there. So I think it's really good. Yeah, so we're just gonna finish eating this up. I really like it still. Just because it's a 9 doesn't mean it's not a 10 for some people, but my personal opinion.
It's 7.
Alright guys, so we're gonna finish this up and then finish up the video.
Yeah, I have one of those like overpowering with cheese.
I think also for the price, it brings it down a little bit. Like they're pretty good, but
How much was it?
we're talking like
Just for
450 a taco. 450 a taco. You know, it's quite a bit. Alright guys, so these are super good. I still have a few more. I just finished the first one, but for the next one, if you really like this and think we should make more of these, like just kind of trying out food videos, I think the next one we'll try would be the Blasian Asian over there at Union Hall as well. It looks really good. It's just Asian food. I don't know what kind, obviously, but it looks really good. They cook it like right there, kind of in front of you. Anyways, guys, I think that's gonna be it for the video. If you like the video, you like the car meet that we went to and everything, that was actually a day ago or whatever, but if you liked all that, thought it was really cool, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and comment, and just let us know what you want, and let us know what you want for the next video, just like I said. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.